Good morning, children. Today I will teach you It So Happened, Class 8D, Chapter 4, The Treasure Within. Now, first of all, we will write the word meanings. Now, potential, energetic, conversation, talking, architects, those who design buildings, nightmare, frightening, dreams, psych, mind or mentality, influenced, attracted or convinced, pranks, jokes, detested, hated, champion, winner, distinction, above 80% marks, concerned, sympathy, caning, punishment, strategies, methods, academics, educational matters, incurred the wrath of, to make somebody furious or angry, you can say. So we will start the chapter, first part of this, The Treasure Within. Now, before you read, every child is a potential achiever and is different from other children in his style of learning and area of interest. Now all the children are different in their potential achieving. Now they are different in their style and learning and area of interest. Now read the interview that follows. It is based on a conversation. Conversation means talking between two peoples, between Mrs. Bela Raja, editor of Sparsh news letter from the resource center. A letter from the resource center. The Valley School, Bangalore, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, one of the India's leading architects. Now, Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy. He was not at all happy as a schoolboy. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him the shivers. Now he loved doing things other than studies or mechanical learning and hated mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him shivers. Means he was very much frightened about mathematics and he got shivers. His body started shaking. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. Now one day his principal told him something which influenced him very deeply. Now I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 or 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Now he is telling, I used to have this terrible nightmare, terrible, very frightening nightmare, dreams, frightening dreams. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Only now, over 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. It has disappeared now. Now I used to get continuous nightmares. Now Hafiz Contractor is Bela Raja, what nightmare are you talking about and why do you think it has disappeared now? Now Hafiz Contractor is telling, I used to get continuous nightmares about appearing in maths examination where I did not know anything. Now where he used to get the continuous nightmares about appearing in the maths examination where he did not know anything. Now the psych has must have gotten over it. I don't have to think about education. Now the psych mind or mentality. Not the psych must have gotten over it. I don't have to think about education and there is absolutely no time to get nightmares. Now he is so engaged in his other work, that he doesn't have any time to think over the and about the education, and there is absolutely no time to get nightmares, and now he doesn't have any time to get the nightmares. That's all for today. We'll do the next.